Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So Christmas is coming, and in today's tutorial we'll be making our own Christmas wreath this holiday. The best part about this wreath is that you can hang it anywhere because of its battery operated fairy lights. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So let's get started. Now to start with, we'll take these branches from this tree and we'll be taking out all the leaves. And to hold our wreath, we'll be requiring a wire and a cutting plier. Now we'll start making the wreath by placing all the dried branches. I have dried these branches for about 2 to 3 days. Once our wreath base is completed, I'll be using these fairy lights to make it look more beautiful. And the best part about these fairy lights is that you can use them with batteries and place anywhere you wish. You can buy these lights online, and I will put the link in the description box. Now we can use this wire to hold our batteries like this. So once our battery is secure, we can use these kind of bow to hide our battery. I'll be using this old hairband which is broken of my daughter. You can use these kind of ribbons to make a bow like this. Or you can use some artificial flowers if you don't have these kind of bows, or you cannot make these kind of bows from the hairband. So I'll be taking out and we can stick them together with the hot glue gun. Or if you don't have hot glue gun, you can use any other strong glue you wish. Now to make it more beautiful, I'll be using these artificial leaf. Now for the finished look, I'll be using this rope, and I'm going to tie it on the top so that we can hang our wreath on the door. So this is the final look of our wreath. Now you can place it on your main door. And because it's Christmas time, so I'll be posting more videos related to Christmas decor and Christmas DIYs. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.